Hello guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode today I will show you how to replace the Android stereo system in BMW e93 2009. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to remove this panel. So remove this panel, you need this tool, and slightly you need to push this in, and as you press it, pull out, and it should come out like this straight away. And then behind this panel we've got 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to remove these 4 screws, and then we need to remove these screws on the top, and then this frame will come out including your stereo system. So I'm going to open this 4 screw first. So once you remove them 2 screws on the top, so you'll be able to access to remove your stereo system. As you can see, start coming out now, and there are 2 also more screws right on the back side up here. So these are the star key ones. I'm gonna lose them now. So for the safety, we can take these cables off, and you need to push this down, this hook, and then press this the other way. So it's like this, and same the other side. So once you do that, the plug automatically comes out. So once it comes out, you can put this away for safety. And now I have unscrewed 2 of them. I need to unscrew another 2. So we would need an 8mm socket to unscrew them 2, as you can see. So once you remove all the screws from all around the corners, you need to pull this lever on the top and then pull it out. So you'll be able to take your complete stereo system out. Once you do that, we have to remove all these cables now on the back. So first I'm going to remove this main plug cable, which is slide out, and then we have the antenna cable right up here. I'm gonna move out this one now. Same, we have to stick this in, and yeah, there we go. So this is our whole stereo. That's out. So now I'm gonna install these USB cables through this hole. As you can see, there was this strip. So if you remove this plug, it just push out, and then through here it will come out this way. So as you can see, I brought this cable here. That's 2 USB cables, and they just come like that through here. Okay, so next thing is to plug all the wiring back to the screen. Here, that's the antenna cable going to be in, nice and tight, and this should be connected. There's another one up here. So put it somewhere here, and okay, here we go. I'm going to show you. I've connected this main power cable with a power cable that fits in here. That's your USB cable, and after this USB cable, them 2, that's your GPS antenna cable. That's your radio cable. So radio I've just connected with the radio, and the GPS I've just installed here through this way, through your dash, and bring it here. And yeah, now I'm just going to do a test. If you have an amp in the back, then you can put this one in, and that's it for the amp. And if you install a reverse camera, then this will go in this speed, but I'm not using the reverse camera, so I'm not using them too. We have little bit issue with the other screen, because in this car it was exactly for the same car, but the difference was I have the heated seats and this bit is extra, and there was about difference was coming up above for 1 inches, so I was not able to fit the screen including the fascia into this model E93 include with heated seats. So ended up what I did, I had to replace the screen. So now we ordered another Android screen, which you can see here, and this screen, this is rotatable one, as you can see here, and with that I managed to fit this one on the same side. So it's exactly the same step with everything same, wiring is exactly the same. So you have to put 2 clips, one on this side and that fitted with the compartment, and that's the other side that fit with the previous compartment. That's your old stereo. And now I'm gonna click this in. As you can see, this slides in, and that's the screen wiring that will go up here, and then I will turn it on. So what I'll do the plug this in first, and then I'll put this on and let's have a test. So as you can see, I've just plugged in. It's just nicely, you have to push it in, and now I have to slide this on these rails. So before you slide this in, you have to make sure don't break it, because it has both sides, as you can see, left side and the right side. You have to push them back, then you have to slide this in, and then you can adjust on your size. So here you go, as you can see, I'll just put this screen nice, and I'm gonna turn this on now. Let's see how does it work. As you can see, the screen is turning on, and I just plugged my USB cable in. And there you go, it's ready to use. Yeah, so you've got everything in, it's working fine. So let's check. So just turn on the radio, as you can hear, it's working fine, and there you go, it's fitted with the buttons. So as you can see, nice and fitting. And I hope you're gonna like this video. If you like it, let me know in a comment section, and if you still have any question, please write down in the comment section and I will get back to you. And if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching video.